Hey there! Are you tired of the annoying how to get help in Windows pop-up every time? In this video, we'll show you how to easily disable or hide this how to get help in Windows pop-up using a simple method. First, you have to go to the C drive from My Computer. After that, you have to go to the Windows folder from here. Now you have to scroll down a bit and look for a file named Help Pane. Right-click on it. Click on Properties. Click on Security tab. Click on Advanced button. Click on Change. Type Users in the input box. Now click on Check Names button. Now click on OK button. Now click on Apply button, then press OK and again click OK. Then select the recent added user. Ensure that you have selected all the checkboxes to have full control. Click Apply, then Yes. Now click on OK button. Again click OK. That's it. Hope your problem will be resolved. If you found this video helpful, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more tips. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so you will never miss our updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.